Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. What a range here over the last, 2 weeks roughly, in which we've been in this range. Very, very stubborn market. I know it's exhausting a lot of people, it's frustrating a lot of people, which these markets sometimes do, and we just need to deal with it and don't get frustrated ideally. Point is here, Bitcoin, my view is still we are going to head lower. We've got this 5-wave move to the downside. There's two main scenarios I've got here on my chart. The first one is this one, where we started the 5-wave move to the downside here from the high at around 25.2k. We're now in this third wave, and in this third wave, the view is that we've done here a wave A, we've done a wave B, and we're coming down in the wave C of the wave 3 next. Now that wave C is a 5-wave move in itself, and it could very well be that this wave C, highlighted here in yellow, has already started with this wave 1. We're now in the wave 2. Well, that could basically be complete, and we are at the moment heading down in the third wave. That third wave, let's just double check the fib levels again. When we take here the length of the wave 1 and the retracement, and that should take us into the region of around 17 to 17.1k. And then we've got the larger wave, so this is this wave 3 here in brackets, and then we've got here the larger degree wave 3 in circle. Let's also calculate where that should take us overall. For that we take also here the length of the wave 1, that wave 1 of the higher degree. Yeah, I mean, that would nearly take us, I don't think that is adequate. Let's look at the ABC here. Wave A, so we take the length of the wave A and the retracement of the wave A, which is the wave B high, then coming down here. Yeah, this should take us into, I think the most likely target would be the 1-to-1 ratio between waves A and C. That should take us into the area around 15.8k, this circle wave 3. So what we then have to assume, there will be a wave 4 afterwards, a retracement, and then another wave 5 down. So we might be really looking at 15 to 14k here for this this 5-wave move, a possible Bitcoin bottom here. That is at least what this suggests. And this sort of A equals C scenario, we had that perfectly illustrated here, that waves A and C often are the same length. We had it here where we said, okay, when we were down here, a key target for that wave C would be 20,160, and we reached exactly that level here with this swing high, because waves A and C were the same length. And when we topped out here, we got rejected, so it could very well be that we are in this wave 3 down. But so far, we're still holding. We're sort of sliding down a little bit, but what we need to see is that move down. I think taking out here that previous low at 19,175 will help, and the wave B as well, 18,900 I would say, and then we should roll over and come down here. Today was a very quiet day, so let's see. But yeah, in a way, in this 5-wave move scenario, we're looking at maybe here really 14 to 15k. There is, however, another scenario where we only have one more leg down. That might take us only sort of into the region around 17k. And this is the scenario where we have also an ending diagonal here, but we count it differently. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're now in the 5th wave down. So basically here only a wave C is missing. It is a different scenario. Get a slightly different target for that. That would be only the C wave down that is basically missing here. That should take us sort of into this region here between 17 and maybe 18.2k. The 17k level would just slightly go below the June low, of course. So that's sort of what I'm looking at here, and afterwards ideally a retracement to the upside. This count here is not my primary count. I'd rather be focused on this one, the one that I showed you first. Important for both of these scenarios is that Bitcoin holds yesterday's high, which was at around 20,160. If we get above that, again, it would not be bullish necessarily. I'd then rather be looking at a stronger retracement in here, probably a wave B, that this one wasn't finished. Yeah. and only above 22.1k I would look at something more bullish. So unfortunately, that's all I can tell you at the moment. Maybe tomorrow we get a little bit more price action. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.